Okay, go ahead, Chase.
Hi, I'm Chase.
I'm Jaden.
Hi, I'm Namita.
I'm John Paul.
Hi, I'm Kate.
Hi, I'm Josh.
And I'm Jayla. We humans speak English, Spanish, and many other different languages, but computers speak one language, code. Think of the last app you opened, TikTok, Instagram, or maybe something else. These apps respond to commands through invisible languages written by computer programmers, but you don't have to be a computer whiz to understand how code works. When you when you open an app, you are speaking code without even knowing it. Let's first start by figuring out what a programming language actually is. At its core, a programming language is a simple structured system that allows us to give commands to computers. Think of it like a cookbook in a way. Each line of code is a recipe step that allows the computer to execute a set of instructions. According to a 2021 study done by Ling Zhao and Su in the Frontiers of Psychology, Python's simplicity led to an increase in student motivation and effective learning. Now, as someone who's taken many different programming classes, I can attest to the fact that Python simplicity and its syntax has made it a perfect start for beginners. Now that we know what a programming language actually is, let's dive into Python and Java a little deeper. Now, starting with Python, Python's hallmark is its simplicity, versatility, and rapid prototyping. It's mainly used for AI, automation, and back end services. On the other hand, Java is more so used for things like mobile banking, Android apps, and e commerce. It's perfect for corporations trying to build missile fast systems. Now, even though these programs are a little different, they each function in a way that drive the backbone of our modern day society. So, for example, Python's simplicity and rapid prototyping has been emphasized in articles like How and Ho's journal review on psychic learning and usability. In this journal, it highlights how Python is mainly used for things like building real world networks and IP protocols. In contrast, Java is more so used for robustness, scalability, and cross platform executions. It powers enterprise systems, Android systems, and many more. Think of Python like a text. It's simple, it's quick, and it's fast. While Java, on the other hand, is more like a letter. It's structured and it's reliable. Now that we know the difference between Java and Python, how do they function in the real world? So, for example, Python is used for AI assistants, smart home systems, as well as automation systems, whereas Java is more so used for big time scaling, which is why it's mainly used in things like companies. Now, despite the fact that these platforms are very different, they work together and even talk to each other at times to go from system to system to work together. Knowing how these programming languages differ, we're able to use each and every one of them to fuel and function our day to day lives. So the next time you send a text, open up an app, or click checkout, you just spoke in code without even knowing it. Thank you. Alright, that should be good. Okay, I'm gonna see. I recorded it.